The next we are going to learn this kanji. This kanji have the reading of onyomi, jitsu, and the reading of kunyomi, minoru, makoto. This kanji had the meaning of reality or truth. When you say about reality, you should use the kanji of jitsu. Jitsu wa the reality is or the truth is something like this. Next, let's see some example. Jitsu is mean truth or reality, sincerity or honesty. Jitsu is mean faith, in faith, true, reality. The word of jitsu, you have the kanji on ji and jitsu. Jitsu is mean the reality, right? And ji is mean the kanji on ji is mean thing. So the thing to be true. So it's the faith. So you can translate to be faith, real thing, right? Next, kanjitsu. Kanjitsu is mean fruit, not a berry. Fruit, not a berry. Mi is mean fruit, nut or seed. Minoru is mean to bear fruit or to ripen. To bear fruit or to ripen. Ninori is mean ripening of a crop or harvest.